Snacks! I'm all about snacks these days. And what goes better with snacks but a dip? Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. It's time to make buffalo hot sauce dip. Are you ready? First thing you gotta have is the Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and you want about 3/4 of a cup of this. That's about half of this bottle of Frank's hot sauce. I've got white vinegar, just regular old distilled white vinegar. And yes, this is the container that I keep it in. So is 2 tablespoons of this. 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, putting 1/4 of a teaspoon of Tabasco, and then 1 stick of butter. Let that melt. After all the butter has melted, this is the whole thing. You can use this as a dip for anything. I happen to love mushrooms. Told you I'm into snacks. Look at that. Oh man, if you could smell it, my mouth is crazy watering. Dip veggies into it, dip chicken into it, dip tofu into it, dip anything into it. Just don't. Probably eat it with a spoon. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Let the vinegar fumes go into your face and have your eyes start watering. And you get little bits of it on the edge of your mouth and you just want to lick it because it's so incredibly delicious. And it's got this little bite at the end of your tongue. And don't forget to subscribe. There'll be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most spectacular, snack-filled week. If you cut the butter into smaller pieces, it will melt faster. Yum.
Tomato soup.
It is definitely not tomato soup. You would be very upset if you thought this was a bowl of tomato soup. Don't do it.